Mr. Taylor.
Hi, everybody. My name is Steve Taylor. I'm the general manager for Lyft here in the DC area. Overall, my job duties and responsibilities include the growth of Lyft here in the DC area, including Maryland and Virginia. I'm responsible for all driver onboarding and support, passenger acquisition, and customer service, as well as driving profitability with the company and helping the policy team navigate regulatory challenges here in the DC area. So today I'm going to touch upon three main topics. First, provide an overview of Lyft. Second, discuss the impact ride-sharing has on safety, specifically impaired driving. And third, review some of the partnerships we've entered into to achieve our goals, specifically around safety. So as many of you already know, Lyft is a app-based peer-to-peer on-demand ride-sharing service. We first launched in San Francisco in 2012. We launched here in DC in 2013, and we've had full-time staff here on the ground for the past almost 2 years. Our mission here is to improve people's lives through the world's best transportation, and we're doing that in three specific ways. The first is providing economic opportunities for our drivers. Second is social connections amongst our community, specifically in underserved communities in our cities. And third is helping make our roads safer by creating an alternative to driving while intoxicated. Some high-level stats as we dig into the topic of alcohol impaired driving. In our December 2016 report on economic impact across the country, we found that roughly 30% of Lyft rides occurred at times associated with high alcohol consumption, usually between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. And about 88% of Lyft passengers say they are less likely to drive drunk due to Lyft. Looking further into how Lyft is helping improve safety, there have been several independent academic studies which have shown ride-sharing services in cities reduce alcohol-related driving arrests by about 51%, DUI-related deaths by about 10%, and assaults and disorderly conduct arrests by about 42%. To leverage the impact Lyft has had on improving safety, we've entered into several partnerships, and these partnerships span various stakeholders, including government entities, beverage companies, and cause groups. We partner with the Seattle Department of Transportation, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and the Seattle Police Department for a 1-year pilot to offer discounted rides to Lyft rides in neighborhoods associated with high rates of DUI. We have a long-standing relationship with Anheuser-Busch and Budweiser, and last year rolled out a program, a year-long program across numerous states, including DC, Virginia, and Maryland, offering Lyft coupons on weekends, encouraging people to choose a safe ride instead of driving home drunk. And we partnered with the Foundation for Advancing Alcohol Responsibility during March Madness, offering discounted Lyft rides to reduce drunk driving. And I want to highlight a local partnership here in the DC area. We recently partnered with WRAP, the Washington Regional Alcohol Program, earlier this year to help reduce alcohol-related deaths and accidents, providing free rides up to $15 to area residents during 5 major holidays. It's kicked off with St. Patrick's Day and just wrapped up this past Friday with Cinco de Mayo. We provide a coupon for both new and existing users, so we're not just interested in obtaining new passengers, we're interested in making sure existing users are also using the service. These codes are distributed through social media and in flyers in bars. And by simply using the app along with this discount code, we've been able to provide sober rides to more than 2,000 would-be drunk drivers over St. Patrick's Day and Cinco de Mayo. And I think some of the strengths of this partnership are fairly self-evident. Obviously, with social media, you have an unlimited reach in terms of people you can reach. You're not just reaching out to people in the downtown area, millennials who are already using your service, but you're also obtaining new users, people who are using this for the very first time to get home safely. I think it reinforces the safe ride use case. There are several use cases we find with Lyft. Commute is one, airport rides is another, and safe ride during party hours is a third, and it really drives that home. And then third, Nadia mentioned being a data-driven company. We are as well, and we're tracking these results, pick-up, drop-off locations by neighborhood, by zip code, time of day of application and redemption, and then mapping this against DUI records with our local police department partners. And with that, I'll pause for questions.
Terrific. Thanks very much. So open it up. Jody,